In today's video, I'll show you how to create a dramatic opening where the screen tears open and reveals your video underneath in a powerful way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro, so the tear feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find tearing open, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, the screen splits and tears apart, revealing the video with strong visual impact. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how aggressive the tear feels. Shorter duration makes the effect sharp and intense. Longer duration slows it down, creating a more dramatic reveal. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the tear aligns with your music or narration. And that's it. You've successfully added a tearing open reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.